Natural resources are unevenly distributed because Earth was built by uneven processes. Volcanoes, plate tectonics, ancient seas, climate, life, erosion, and time placed useful materials in some locations and not others. Oil, copper, diamonds, fertile soil, fresh water, and forests are not spread like a smooth layer over the planet. They're concentrated by history. Start with minerals. Many valuable metals form through geologic processes deep underground. Hot fluids move through cracks in rock, carrying dissolved elements. As the fluids cool or react with other rocks, metals can deposit in concentrated veins. Plate boundaries, where Earth's crust collides, pulls apart, or slides, are especially active places for these processes. That is why many mineral deposits are connected to ancient volcanoes, mountain building, or ocean floor activity. Diamonds have a different story. They form deep in Earth's mantle under extreme pressure and temperature. They reach the surface through rare volcanic eruptions that act like elevators from the deep Earth. So, diamonds are found only where those unusual events happened and where erosion has exposed or moved the rocks. Fossil fuels depend on ancient life and burial conditions. Coal formed from plant material in swampy environments that was buried and changed by heat and pressure. Oil and natural gas often formed from tiny marine organisms buried in sediments under ancient seas. But the story does not end there. The oil or gas had to form, migrate through rock, and become trapped under an impermeable layer. If any step was missing, there may be no usable deposit. Fresh water is uneven because climate and geography are uneven. Some regions receive steady rain. Others lie in dry belts where air sinks and clouds rarely form. Mountains can force moist air upward, causing rain on one side and dry rain shadows on the other. Glaciers, aquifers, rivers, and lakes store water in some places, while other regions have little accessible fresh water. Soil fertility is uneven too. It depends on parent rock, climate, organisms, slope, and time. Volcanic ash can create mineral-rich soils. River floods can renew farmland with sediment. But heavy rainfall can wash nutrients away, and dry climates can build up salts. A place can have good weather but poor soil, or rich soil but too little water. Biological resources, such as forests and fisheries, depend on sunlight, nutrients, temperature, water, and ecosystems. Coastal upwelling zones, where deep, nutrient-rich water rises, can support huge fisheries. Tropical rainforests grow where warmth and rainfall are abundant. Boreal forests spread across cold northern regions. Each pattern reflects environmental conditions. Human technology changes what counts as a resource. Bauxite became more valuable when aluminum production became important. Lithium-rich brines became strategically important with rechargeable batteries. A material is a resource when humans have a use for it and the ability to extract it. Natural resources are unevenly distributed because Earth is a record of countless local events. The planet's heat, moving plates, ancient organisms, water cycles, and climates concentrated different materials in different places. This unevenness has shaped trade, wealth, conflict, migration, and technology. Resources are not random gifts scattered evenly. They are geological and ecological stories written into the ground.